City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree. What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I got these black canvas Jordan 4s that were originally scheduled to release October 22nd, but the release date just recently got changed to next Saturday, October 1st. So as usual, we're going to take a close detailed look at the shoe from all angles. After that, I'm going to share my opinion on the shoe, and then we'll get into release predictions, reselling predictions, and all that stuff. So let's get right to it. So these have suede on the toe. Feels pretty rough. And they got the canvas in the toe box, of course, which goes all up on the upper. Even up to the tongue. You see they got the canvas right here still. And then they have this red flight text on the tongue, which really pops out. Kind of got mixed feelings on it though. Like, I know I love red, you know, but then I also feel like it was a little unnecessary. They kind of could have kept it gray and black, but then at the same time it really pops out, so that is a nice compliment to the shoe. But let me know what you guys think. See, the suede from the toe continues to here, and then the rest of the upper is canvas. These remind me a lot of the Eminem Carhartt Jordan 4s, especially from certain angles. Like right here, they look OD like them. So for those of y'all who, you know, might have wanted those Eminem 4s but didn't want to drop like 30K, you know, if you don't mind settling for these are pretty good, you know, second place prize. I'm glad they didn't do these the way they did the white canvas 4s, where the entire shoe was all canvas. I mean, that was more inviting for, you know, people to do customizations, but as far as just the shoe being attractive, like that whole canvas shoe was not it. I don't know if the if these being black and, you know, the contrast with the white midsole has anything to do with it, you know, and the fact that the white canvases were just too plain. The whole canvas was a good idea, but as far as appearance, like, these are killing those. So I like that they did these this way. Here they are from the back. They got more red text on the back side of the tongue. The interior of the shoe is all black, including the insoles, which also have a red Jumpman logo. Here's the sole. Little surprise with the box. This is not your usual Jordan 4s box. Looks like they're giving us something new. It has a flight on the top with the Jumpman logo replacing the eye. It has a folding top instead of the removable lid like they give on most Jordan 4 boxes. And if you look here on the inside, they have this like cloudy, like light purple pattern. It reminds me a lot of the Zen Master Jordan 4s. Hey, look, let me take. So they have the, you know, the cement paper like these do. But look, take all of this out. They got this pattern like all throughout the box, so I don't know what that's about. I would have really expected them to do something like this for those Zen Master 4s, but they did it for these, which is a little odd, but okay. And here's the box label. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now let's talk about them. These are pretty cool. I like them. I'm not crazy about them, but they're nice. It's a real nice, neat looking shoe. And with the canvas on the upper, it invites the creatives to go crazy with the customizations. I'm not a huge fan of customs anyway, so I mean, like, it's a cool idea, but personally, I'd rather just keep the shoe the way it was released. I like these way better than the white pair. Like I was saying earlier, the white pair, the entire shoe is canvas, like even this part. And I guess for the whole, like, customizing thing, that made more sense because, like, it gives them more freedom. You have the whole shoe rather than just, like, certain parts of the shoe. But overall, these are way better than the white pair. And I've been thinking, I know I mentioned this earlier, I've had mixed feelings on the red parts of the shoe. If y'all watch me regularly, you probably heard me say in other videos, red is my favorite color. I love red. So it's kind of hard for me to say, like, they should have got rid of it because it does look nice. I mean, it's a nice compliment here, like I said. The sole doesn't really matter to me as much because, like, you know, if you're gonna be wearing these, you're gonna be walking on, not that many people are gonna see them. The insole, the same thing. So it's really just right here on the tongue, but it is a good compliment. The only reason I kind of feel like maybe they shouldn't have done that is because, like, other than the red part, this is a black, gray, and white shoe. Very neutral colored shoe. And certain people, they like shoes like this because they can wear them with everything. And, you know, not that you can't still wear these with everything with the red on them, but a black, gray, and white shoe compared to a black, gray, white, and red shoe is just so much easier to match everything. You know, if you want to wear a green shirt, a blue shirt, a yellow shirt, you could throw that on with these. And if they didn't have the red part, it would still match. Now that you have the red in there, if you're wearing, like, you know, one of those colors, it's not going to look bad, but, like, the red in these would be throwing the outfit off. But at the same time, if this is a shoe that you're wearing every so often and you're not wearing them on like a almost everyday basis or a regular basis where you'd be wearing them with numerous different outfits, then this colorway is fine. But yeah, either way, these are cool. I'm just not 100% sure if I like them enough to keep them. I feel like colorway wise, they're so similar to the black cement 4s that, like, even if I kept these, I would, like, never wear them. Like, it's literally the same color. You got black, gray, white, and red. I'm pretty sure 99% of y'all, if y'all was getting dressed and you got an outfit together and you got to choose between these and these, like, you're probably choosing these. But let me know how you guys feel. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? Are you in between? Let me know. The marketing of these is really weird. They started out high, like $450. Then they dropped down as low as like $275. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, these went back up to like $350. And you know another pair that happened to? I ain't even get to review these yet. I got them in the crib right now. I just didn't get to make the video yet. Y'all gonna get a little sneak preview. Same thing happened to these. I lucked out. I bought these when the price was low. But I ain't gonna lie, I slept on these because I was thinking the price was gonna go a little bit lower. And both of these were around like $275 at one point, and then boom, they both went back up. I don't know if these got over 400, but these are sitting at like 415, 430 at right now as we speak, which is crazy because I know pairs sold to these for $275. But anyway, so after these went back up, they back around like 350-ish, and the release date got pulled from October 22nd to October 1st, and ever since then the price on these went back down. They're around like 275, 280 again. Like, I know sneakers change in price all the time, but these were really extreme. Both of these pairs, these and the both of these were extreme. But yeah, like I just said, market price on these is around like 280 right now, and I think they'll stay around there. I don't think they'll get any lower than like 250. Obviously, you know, the price varies per size, but just on average, I don't think, I mean, these are Jordan 4s. I know Jordan 4s do really well nowadays. The colorway doesn't have a whole lot of hype around it. And I don't know if I said this in my last video or the video before that, but I was saying, like, when they change the release date, depending on how public they are with the release date change, that could mess up the hype of a shoe because they'll say a certain date for a while and then they'll change it. And like, certain people will have a certain date in their head, and if they haven't caught the update, then like, it just causes confusion with people. So I don't know if this is going to be one of those cases, but one way or another, I just think they're going to stay around that 275, 280 price. If they do drop down, I don't see them dropping any lower than like maybe like 250 at the lowest. These are definitely a go for resellers. You should be able to flip them right away for substantial profit. But I feel like your best bet as a reseller, or actually more so as an investor, is to hold on to these. Listen, I respect anybody who want to just get rid of them right away, make it a quick dollar. I get it. But if you're looking to maximize your profit, I would cop these and I would sit on them. Y'all know how Jordan 4s do. I don't really got to explain it at this point. They're going to go up in value. Look at Black Cats, look at White Oreos, look at Military Blacks. These are all Jordan 4s with those neutral colorways that came out recently, and they're all going crazy. Black Cats is out of this world. White Oreos went up way quicker than a lot of people expected. And Military Black, I feel like by the time Military Blacks came out, I feel like people were kind of hip to the Jordan 4 thing. But even then, like, I feel like those still surprised people. Those went from 300 to 400 in like, feel like overnight. You know what I mean? So don't be surprised if these do something similar. You know, people love Jordan 4s and people love neutral colored shoes. These are going to be a great haul, even in grade school sizes. Even if you're getting the smaller ones like 4, 4.5, those should even be able to make you some money. Just keep an eye on them. Jordan, you never know what's going to happen with Jordan 4s. The value can kick up at any moment. Like I just said, the Military Blacks just went up out of nowhere. If you're looking to cop a pair of these to wear, I'm wishing you the best of luck in getting them in your size for retail. If this video is helpful or informative in any way, I really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in more early reviews like this and other sneaker related content, do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Just make sure you tap that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you get notified and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.